Okay, so let's look at part A. We're given that f of 2 is equal to -3, but using our equation here, we can get f of 2 is equal to -2 times f of 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay, so we have -3 equals -2 f of 1. We'll divide both sides by -2, so we have 3/2 equals f of 1. Okay, so we're writing the first 5 terms of the sequence. So we have, I'll do this in green on the side here. 3/2 is the first term, -3 is the second term. Now let's find the third term. Okay, so we have f of 3, and I'm using this formula, is equal to -2 times f of 3 minus 1, which is 2.